Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to add a checklist box in Google Doc. Let's start the video. First, open your Google Doc. Here, write something you want to add checklist box. Have to do. Okay. Now you can see on the right side here, checklist. Click on this. Now you can see a checklist box is added. Now, if you want to take this box, let's suppose you have done this work. Just right click on this box and you can see this box is ticked. Now if you want to add more thing, just press enter and add another thing. Breakfast, read. Let's suppose I have these tasks to do and one is dead. Another breakfast is done. Just click on right click and you can see here a tick option. Click on this tick option. Press. You can see here breakfast, gym. And there is one more shortcut method to open checklist. What you have to do, for Mac, just press Command, Shift and 9. You can see here a checklist box is added. Also, and for Windows, you have to press Control, Shift and 9. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.